The Student Service Board of Kingsport is a group of active students who take at least one class at the Kingsport campus and organize fun volunteering activities for the semester. You can suggest activities and events at the Kingsport campus and help organize them. You can energize the campus life. You can make a difference. It's easy to be involved and you can build up your resume. There is no membership fee, so why not join us?